Welcome to PixelGenie AI. To use this, you first need to create your AI model. To do that, go to the Train AI tab. Give a name to your AI model and add a description of it. Upload pics of yourself, as per the guidelines mentioned above. Once your AI model has been created, give it a name that should be unique and uncommon and click on the Train It button. Once this is done, you can use this name to create AI pics with your own AI model.
After training your AI model, you can come back to this tab and you see the list of the models that you've trained, and you can basically start generating photos based on any of the models that you've trained. So you can also choose from the drop down here. And basically all you need to do is to enter a prompt, and you can see an example here. I'm just going to paste this prompt, and remember to always include like the trigger word in the prompt when you trying to generate an image. So there are some other options that we can choose from the advanced tab, but let's try first with the basic options. And if the quality is not, or the output is not good enough, then we can try to tweak it using the advanced tab. Okay, so you can see that the image is now generated. Yeah, I kind of think this is cool, but maybe it could be better. And we can basically tweak now the settings to see if we can get a better output. So you can come to advanced, and so right now the most important thing here is the creativity versus resemblance. This determines how closely it will resemble you. Okay, so I can right now the default is 1.27. I can reduce this a little bit to 1.18 or 1.17. And also here we can choose, like, maybe we want to generate like more than one images. So I choose two images at this point, and then also you can look at the style intensity. So there also like some explanation here for what this is all about, so that you can just basically read on that. Yeah, so usually I just leave all these other settings as at the default, and maybe let's tweak this a little bit, and then say take two more photos, and that's gonna try to generate two more photos, and we can then compare that photo with the one that was generated previously to see which one is better. So usually it's just a matter of playing with the options here, and depending on the images that you, or depending on the photos that you use to train the AI model, that would determine how the outcome it's gonna be. So we've generated two images, and you can see, yeah, so I think this actually looks cool. And so it also depends on the prompt that we use, and this is also another prompt that we use, and you can see let's try a different prompt. Okay, so now I'm gonna copy a different prompt. I'm gonna use the same settings, but this time I'm gonna take one photo. So take one photo, and let's try this. So this prompt is a vibrant portrait of Lanky wearing a colorful Africa traditional attire. So let's see, and yeah, you can see this looks like me actually. So and basically I'm gonna do one more can just set this to 0, and then let's try that and see how it's going to perform with setting the creativity to setting it to be more creative, and see what kind of photo it's going to generate.